Hey guys, welcome to my channel Kohl to Soul. Today I've created this sunset look for you guys. Check out the step-by-step tutorial for it. To start off with, I'm gonna prime my lids with using a concealer with this LA Girl Pro Conceal, and the shade I've used here is Classic Ivory. You should invest in a good concealer brush to get a smoother base for this. I'm gonna set it up with this powder here. I've chosen my favorite eyeshadow palette from Makeup Revolution. It's called Soft X, and I have picked up a color called Vitamin C. This is a transition shade that I'm using, and I will apply it from the inner corner to the outer corner. I'm gonna go for a shade darker after this to give my eye a nice diffused sunset look. And Makeup Revolution is a cruelty-free brand. I proudly support all those brands which are beauty with ethics, so you can look gorgeous without being guilty. Second shade I have picked up here is called Sweet and Sour. It's an orange shade, and the third one I've gone for is a pop of red color. I'm going to apply this red color called 21 as close to the lash line and then blend it up. I'm gonna finish this look with a black eyeliner. Again, I'm gonna just follow the eyelash line, and I'm gonna apply the eyeliner as close to the eyelash line. Moving on to the face, I'm using this primer from PAC. It's kind of a real quick fix for appearance of those big pores around your nose and cheeks, and it actually works to give you a smoother base before your foundation application. If you don't want to use a primer, you can go for antioxidant facial oils from brands Saint Botanica. Those are also great to apply before the foundation. I've gone for this foundation, a liquid foundation from Huda Beauty, which is a full coverage foundation, and it's pretty long stay. Even for outdoors, it can stay up to 8 to 10 hours easily without melting. Blend, blend, blend like your life depends on it. Don't forget to perk up those eyebrows. I'm using this pencil from Faces. It's a great eyebrow definer. Next in the list is this baked blush from Milani. It's a super buttery form. Oh, hello, handsome. These eyelashes are from USHER. They are super lightweight and reusable up to 20-25 times. These are quite ideal for a soft yet flirty look to enhance your eyelash length. The final touch to this look is a lipstick from Nykaa. It's called Naughty Nude. It's a nude brown shade for a high impact one swipe color payoff. It's my everyday color if I'm stepping out. Thank you for watching my video, guys. I really appreciate all the love and support I get here. And subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon. Bye bye.